Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of took too much space on the application of CapCut. We go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above here we search about CapCut as you see and you will click. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. If it's not working with you, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.